to make your very own loaf of bread.
First thing we need to do is prepare our ingredients and our utensils. So we're going to take a large mixing bowl, a measuring jug with 300 millilitres of water in, a Pyrex dish or some sort of baking tray that you can use to put your bread in to cook. I've got some yeast here and we're going to take about 7 grams in this one, which is just about enough. So 1 packet of yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt. We also need 500 grams of plain flour and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I've got my scales ready so we can weigh out the ingredients. So we need 500 grams of plain flour first of all. We're just going to weigh that out. And now we're going to add our flour into the mixing bowl. Now at this point, keep your plain flour near you because we're going to need that shortly. Okay, our second thing to add is 2 teaspoons of salt straight onto the flour. 1, 2. And now we're going to add our yeast packet, 7 grams of yeast into the mix. So now we've added our plain flour, our salt and our yeast into here. We're just going to give this a nice mix around. So as you can see, I've mixed those ingredients in. We're going to just shake this so it's all nice and flat and level. And we're going to make just a small little dip in the centre to form a well. And this is where we're going to pour our oil and water. So now we're going to add our oil into that small well in the middle, and then we'll add our water. So when we add the water, we're just going to do this stage by stage. We don't want to put too much in, so we're going to stir it as we add and make sure it doesn't get too runny. If it does, we can just add some more flour. But if it's a little bit too dry, we can simply just add more water to the mix. It's now forming a bit of a ball itself now. So we're going to just put that aside and grab the flour that we put to one side earlier and just sprinkle a little bit onto the surface top. Just so that when we put this dough ball out, it doesn't get stuck to the table. Okay, now we're just going to plonk that nice dough ball onto the flour. And we're going to knead this for a good 10-15 minutes to try and get all the lumps and bumps out of it. Okay, now we've kneaded that for a good 10 minutes. We're going to pop that into our tray or into our pan. I'm using a Pyrex dish. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil into there just so it doesn't stick. Just going to let that sit there for an hour. I'm going to cover it in some cling film and then come back to it. Okay, I've covered my dough. We'll leave that to one side for an hour. And because we're good scouts, we're going to tidy up the mess that we've just made whilst we're waiting. Okay, so this has been rising now for an hour, so we're going to get it out, pump the air out of it, and we're going to let it rise for one further hour before we can bake it. Okay, now we're going to shape it to how we'd like it and pop it into our tray ready to bake. Okay, now it's in the tray. I'm going to leave that to set for one more hour and then we can go ahead and bake it. There we go, so the dough is nicely raised now. We're going to stick this in the oven for about 30 minutes on gas mark 7. Okay, so it's been about half an hour now. I'm going to get the bread out and it looks amazing. Side, get it out of the pan, and let it cool for a good 15-20 minutes before we can try it. Now we're ready to slice, so just be careful, get your bread knife. And we're just going to slice off the end bit. It's lovely and soft. Look at that bread. Perfect, I'd say. Now to try it. Right from the oven. Oh, it tastes so good. Enjoy making yours. See you later.